Unexpected circumstances forcing you to cancel your Eventbrite event. Don't panic. I'll guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your attendees. First, log into your Eventbrite account and navigate to Manage Events. Find the event you need to cancel. On your events dashboard, find the Manage button, usually represented by a gear icon, and click on it. This opens your event settings. Scroll down to find either Edit or Basic Info. Click this. It's the first step to making changes to your event. Now, look for Event Status or Visibility. Use the drop-down menu to change the event status to Cancelled. Eventbrite will now prompt you to choose a refund option. Consider your policy and select the appropriate choice: full refunds, partial refunds, or no refunds, based on your terms. Next, craft a clear and sincere email to your attendees explaining the cancellation. Briefly explain the reason and clearly state the refund process. Being upfront builds trust. Preview your email, and when you're satisfied, hit send. Eventbrite helps you notify all attendees immediately. And that's it. Your event is now cancelled. Check Eventbrite's Help Center for more resources on managing cancellations effectively, ensuring you handle future events with confidence.